Hello, fellow learners. Welcome back to Quick and Easy Learnings. In today's video, we're taking a deep dive into the art of studying smarter, not harder. We'll explore some unique and effective techniques that can transform your study game. Let's set the stage. But before we jump into these fantastic techniques, imagine your study routine as a journey through the vast ocean of knowledge. At times, this ocean can feel overwhelming. But fear not. We're here to help you navigate it with ease. Technique number 1, the Feynman technique. Our first technique is a true gem. This involves explaining a complex topic as if you were teaching it to someone else. It forces you to simplify and deeply understand the subject. Technique number 2, mind mapping. Next up, the intriguing mind mapping technique. It's like creating a visual roadmap of your thoughts. Mind maps help you connect ideas, making complex topics more manageable. Technique number 3, dual coding. Now, let's explore dual coding. Combine words and images when studying. It engages both your verbal and visual memory, making information retention more effective. Technique number 4, the memory palace. Prepare to be amazed by the memory palace. Imagine a place you're familiar with, like a palace. Associate the information you want to remember with specific locations within that place. It's a powerful memory technique. Technique number 5, active retrieval. Lastly, we have active retrieval. Instead of rereading or rewatching, actively quiz yourself on the material. It strengthens memory and helps identify areas where you need more focus. Now, let's put it all together. But wanna give you a bonus tip. The Pomodoro technique. Here's how it works. Study for 25 minutes with intense focus, then take a 5-minute break, rinse, and repeat. This helps you maintain peak concentration and prevents burnout. These techniques are like tools in your study toolbox. Mix and match them based on the subject and your learning style to unlock your full potential. As we wrap up, remember that effective studying isn't about the quantity of time you spend. It's about the quality of your study sessions. Experiment with these techniques, adapt them to your style, and watch your learning soar. If you found these techniques helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow learners. Don't forget to subscribe to Quick and Easy Learnings for more educational content. Until next time, happy studying. Thanks for watching.